This is the Tank X1. It's got always-on display, beautiful watch faces, and this sets a whole new bar in terms of waterproof and hardening. This has got lots of different controls in here. Do not disturb, lock the screen so you can actually watch it while it's underwater, and it'll work well for you. Brightness controls, twist your wrist to see the time, everything. It's hardened to a military spec 810H. Check that out. It's really, really good. Here's your overall step count information with charts showing you your daily step and your weekly summary. Here's last night's sleep time. Again, showing you naps even if you take some, and your deep, light, REM, and so forth. Here's heart rate showing you your highs, lows, your instantaneous current heart rate, and a chart. You've also got blood oxygen. It begins measuring as soon as you tap that button, and it'll show you your blood oxygen level. Blood pressure, same thing. You can measure it and get your systolic and diastolic readings. When you go to the next one, you get weather, including a breakdown of weather report and so forth. It shows you your location at the top. You've got a music player if you want to add that to the stream, and that's pretty much everything, but this is where you can take away the components if you'd like to as well. Notifications sent from your phone here, and all your different apps, which includes sports. You can get to that from the button here. These are all the different things that you can do with this watch. A lot of underwater work. You've got daily exercise, heart rate. We saw all of that stuff already. Alarm clocks in this one. You can calculate breath rate. You can also do breath training. It's got a cute little calendar built into it. Timers, countdown timers, stopwatch, find your phone. Ladies, you can see your female cycle information and where you are. It is extremely well built. Solid metal, Corning glass, definitely a waterproof and sturdy watch, non-removable rubberized bands. It's a sweet one. It's called the Tank X1. Check it out.